Hello friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Gemini AI API keys. So all you have to do, guys, is to simply open up your browser. You want to ensure that you have an active Google account as well and signed in, and you want to simply type in your browser aistudio.google.com, or just simply go to google.com and type in Google AI Studio. All you have to do, just simply type Google AI Studio or go to aistudio.google.com. And if you're using this for the first time, it will quickly ask you to check some boxes and accept terms there, and it will take you right into this. Now, once you're here, guys, all you have to do is click the Get API key on the upper left hand side. You can see under Google AI Studio here, click that, and here you have the API key for Gemini. So all you have to do is just simply click and create API key, and you will see that it started to generate for you. And once this finished generates, you will be able to have your API key. So you just need to be patient. It doesn't take a long time. As you can see here, it generates. This is my API key. As you can see, it says use your API key securely, and you can simply click on copy, and you can close that, and you can use that API key. Right now, you can see below that I have my Gemini API key. At any point in time, I can go back for it, and I can simply open it in a new window and so forth. So if you want, you can open that in a new window, and you'll be able to see the content, as you can see. Right, so it takes a couple of seconds, as you can see here, and you basically have all of these things. Go ahead and accept some terms and continue, and that's it. You have your API key here, right? So that's it, guys. That's how you easily go ahead and get Gemini AI API key right in the Google AI Studio. It's very easy and very simple.